So let us continue. We have the email done. We have our password done. Now I'm gonna work on the. So we set up the Firebase initialize app. Now I'm gonna work on. What should I do actually? What should I? All right. So render components. I'm gonna work on this render component part just a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is very simple actually. Um, let's see. So let's do a switch. I'm gonna remove this that I have. So we're gonna do a switch case. So switch. So it's gonna say this dot state dot is logged in. So if that is true, right now that is null. So that is not true. What's gonna happen is that we are not logged in. So because we are not logged in, it's going to be false. It says if user, but the user is not. This doesn't exist right now. So it's else. So it's going to change this from null to false. So because this is false, this is not going to go through. But let me show you all three cases. Case 1 is true if it does go through. Case 2 is false when we are not logged in. And then the final case is default when is null, basically. So in this case, I'm going to show you. But in the case when we are not logged in, false part, this is where you return the logging form. This is where you return the login form. In the case when we are logged in, however, we should return a button still. Actually, in the case when we are logged in, what we should return is a card. Do I have a card here? No. So I'm going to bring in the card. I'm going to bring in the card section. So we're going to, in the case where we are logged in, so we're going to return a card, and then a card section. In this card section, we would have our button, and our button will be a sign out button. We'll say log out. So I'm gonna show you how to use this, but not now, because we haven't done the login button part yet. Alright, so this is good. This is really beautiful. Now, what about when it is null? Now, what I want to show is a little spinner. You know, the thing that goes round and around like it's loading. That is what I want to show. So to do that, I'm going to show you how to create a spinner. We're going to make a component called spinner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste some stuff from here, honestly. The boilerplate stuff. All I need is view and something else that I'm not going to explain yet. So const spinner. Now with this spinner, I'm going to return view. So there's something that React Native do give us. It's called an activity indicator. So that is how we're using our spinner. It's called an activity indicator. So we're gonna bring this activity indicator here, and then it takes the size. We'll make the sizes large, and let's see why it is interesting. Let me export my spinner, and then I'm gonna bring it in here. Okay, we have the spinner. It's still red. Why is this red? Let's see. Const spinner equals that. We have to return the view. I don't know. Oh, I do know why this is red. It makes sense. Alright, so let me style it. Like always, we gotta style everything in React Native. Styles. So I'm gonna call spinner container. Whoever that is making a huge noise. Spinner container. Okay. Even before I do it, let's see how it looks. Oh, we're not signed out, so it's not really gonna show. But we can bring it in spinner. And then we'll use it here because this is what we will return. So in this case, it's null. So because we are not logged in, it's going to return the login form. Let's see. I figured it was going to be an error somewhere. What is the error though? What is it saying? Affiliates load. Interesting. Okay. My component will mount. Alright, so let me take a look at this and we'll continue from the next video. That's an error here, and I don't want to waste recording time just looking through this. Let me take a look at it by myself. I'll explain once I found it on the next video.